So we got the new Steveston interchange. It's been rebuilt. So you have separate right turn signals, the left turn signal. So I'm curious if the right turn runs on its own phase. So there's no LPI. Seems like an oversight, especially if this really weird angle. I don't like that. But I'm curious if the right turn can run like on its own phase, because like it runs, so like I would assume this is like phase 4, but I'm curious if the right turn's like an overlap and it runs at like 4 and 5, because like in theory you could have, for example, the right turn, when the advanced left is on, this through signal would still be red, and then the right turn would be green. So, because like no one's going left, and I have a feeling it just runs on one phase, which is not very efficient in my opinion. So let's see. Wow, that seems like an oversight to me. So instead, like, you could have the right turn green, the left turn would be red, but the through so it would only hold up the northbound or the westbound through traffic. I guess the only concern would be a yellow trap because of the protected permissive left turn. So like if through went to red here, but on the other side it was still green, that would be a yellow trap. But I mean, really they could just either make it a protected only left or just have it go to like an all red phase first. I think like that would still be more efficient than this, because like there's no through traffic, so like someone is going left now, they're not on the loop. Got some really long risers. But yeah, there you go.